Hi Internet friends, I'm Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. Today's video features wall percentage openings, which is number 17 in my list of 20 new and improved features in the new version of Chief Architect X15. I am really excited to share all of these new features of X15 with you, but the last two features are some on the top of my list. So I hope you stick around for the next few days. But first, let's get started in our favorite software with this tip today. Wall percentage openings is a new baked in option for wall schedules. And this will be particularly helpful, I believe, for energy calculations and putting into maybe your ResCheck software or otherwise calculating, say, a manual J calculations for HVAC. I've got my file open and I'm going to actually open it again by doing File, Recent Files, and clicking on that. And so I've got two tabs of the same file, and that just means I can Shift F6 and on one side have the house plan, and on the other side you can see the schedule, the wall schedule. So let's select a wall. Let's select this wall here, and in my active layer display options I'm going to turn on wall labels, and that is wall 05. So in our schedule here, that is this line right there. It's a 0% openings. First of all, I'm going to actually delete this wall schedule here, and we're going to go to our schedules. You can find that in the where are schedules up here? There we go. Tools, schedules, wall schedule, and I'm just going to drop that right there. Well, that's now WA07. So this one right here, and notice that column is not present currently, but let's it's because I don't have the wall. There we go. So under available columns, we now have this percent openings option to put in the column. Let's add that, and it goes down at the end. And now we have that many walls. It's still WA07, wall 07, and that is this one right there, 0%. So watch this 0% right here when I put a wall, window or door in the wall. Let's add a window. And that 0% didn't change. It added a wall down here because that became wall 17. That's what it did. Okay. Let's open this up, and it's not automatically sorted. So that just changed the wall type. Because there was another wall 7 apparently. Anyway, okay, so wall 17 is now got 13.65% open in the overall space of that wall, in the overall area of that wall. If I were to add another door here, now it's increased to 31.85%. Let's make this a 6-foot door. And, like a slider. There we go. Now it's 50.05%. Really handy when doing energy calculations. You can add cavity R value if you've specified that. Let's add that. Continuous R value. You can even add pony wall plan display. I've not worked much with wall schedules, so maybe these were in 14 as well, but if we were to make that a pony wall, what would happen? Draw a lower outline. I don't know what that means. That's funny. Oh, okay. In plan, what it's doing, it's actually drawing the lower outline of the pony wall. So that's drawing the lower outline right there. Interesting. All right, I'm going to delete that one from the schedule. Not rename. Remove. There we go. That's funny. All right, so we've got some 15s of cavity value, no continuous value. You can adjust that in the wall specification there in the wall type. Define that wall type, and right there, our cavity layer properties, wall properties. There we go. Our 15. I think this is new. I don't recall having tabs here for the wall type definitions. That's cool. Material properties. Yeah, auto details insulation, air gap, horizontal framing. We had horizontal framing introduced in X14. Layer properties. Okay. I like this kind of layout here with the tabs of the wall type. So if we were to change that to, let's say 19, I know you can't get 19 on a 3.5 stud. Let's do this as continuous value of 5. This information, wall properties, goes with the wall itself, not with any specific layer apparently. So we'll do that, and now you've got that information now in the wall schedule. I hope this information is helpful. I know I'm going to enjoy those cases where I need to give the information for energy situations. We've got that right ready to go. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this information, please click like and subscribe down there and hit the notification bell so that each time I drop a video, you get notified of it. Thanks again for watching, and do stick around for these next couple days. Take care.